Government Primary School First Terminal Assessment 2023. Class 4 Subject English. Read the text and answer the questions 1, 2, 3 and 4. Mita is in class 4. She gets up at 6 o'clock. She washes her face. She has breakfast at 7 o'clock. Then she brushes her teeth. She goes to school at 9 o'clock. She walks to her school. She visits her grandmother at 3 o'clock. Then Mita returns home at 5 o'clock. Fill in the blanks with given words from the box. 7 o'clock, Face brushes her home school. Mita washes her dish. She has breakfast at Gap. She gave her teeth. She returns Gap at 5 o'clock. She walks to the school. Write true or false for the given statements. Mita gets up at 7 o'clock. She goes to school on foot. Mita returns home at noon. She takes her breakfast at 8 a.m. She is an early riser. Answer the following questions. Who is Mita? When does she get up? What class does she read in? When does she go to school? How does Mita go to school? Write a paragraph about your daily routine. Write the poem Traffic Lights. Write the days of the week in your answer script. Make questions using underlined words. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Sagar is 9 years old. It is 6 o'clock now. She lives in Feni. Alam is my friend. Rearrange the given words to make meaningful sentence. Meet, nice to you. Well, I am very. Class in 4 mi. Labs, he travel to. Help, I can, you. Fill in the gaps by writing the time. I am Raju. I get up at this. I brush my teeth at this. I have my breakfast at this. I go to school at this. I come back home at this. Fill up the following form by using your informations. Name, father's name, mother's name, class, age. ছোট্ট বন্ধুরা, তোমরা যাদের এর উত্তর লাগবে তারা আমাকে কমেন্টস বক্সে জানাবে। আমি উত্তর দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করব। থ্যাংক ইউ সকলকে।